see, second report is coming. This is sales order, sales number, day to time. If I go for another customer data, it will say so many orders. If I go for another customer, if customer is having data, it will show. If customer does not have the data, okay, it won't show that values. You see, this customer does not have 10,010. This customer is having data, does not have 12. Only 3 records. Okay, it depends upon the your value. Okay, your customer related values. Then these values will be triggered here. Okay, this customer is having only 3 orders. Okay, only 3 orders. Okay, to display this type of interactive. Okay, interactive means you are just double clicking. Based on double clicking, that values will be displayed in next list that we can call. We can call secondary list or interactive list. Here, okay, extra syntaxes are this 7 plus for interactive purpose. 7 plus, okay, one is outline selection is the one event. Outline selection is one event, and one more is top of page. Okay, during line selection. Top of page during line selection. These are all the events. Okay, these are all the events in, okay, interactive. This 7 plus 2, total 9 events are there. Total 9 events under interactive. But this is not mandatory. Load program is not the mandatory. We will use it. This we can call the interactive report. Okay. Any doubt, Praveen, Satish, Amit? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next class. Okay, next class. Same report, but display in color format. Colors means like I need separate rows for this output. I need separate columns for this output. I need some color for this one. I need some logo for this particular report. How to display this type of reports? That we are calling ALV logo. Okay, sorry, ALV reports. Okay, ALV reports. Okay, these reports only will use more frequently in real procedure. Okay, but these reports, most of the times copy paste only it will do that. Only output related data only we have to understand, like which data you are going to write, that select query you have to write it. And remaining skeleton, all the standard code will just copy paste it and will change as per the requirements. Okay, will change as per the requirement. Now you can try this one. Okay, you can try these 2 examples. Tomorrow class I'll start with the ALV interactive reports. Okay, ALV interactive, this one, ALV reports. Okay, tomorrow ALV at least 3-4 reports I will give. Then immediately I will send some more reports, real-time reports, logo related, okay, like sorting related, everything I will share. Okay. Practice these 2 examples today. Okay. Okay. Satish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Amit?